Hello everyone, this is Sultan. I want to show you how to make a folder without name. So this is very important to how to make a folder without name in desktop. So first, please subscribe my channel for more important videos. Come to desktop, right click, go to new and take a new folder. So this is the folder. I want remove the name of this folder. So come to right click, then go to rename. After that press the alt button and then 0160, press it. After that leave the alt button and then enter. So this is very easy way to make a folder without name. Once again, come to new folder. I want to remove the name of this folder. Go to rename, press the alt button and press 0160, then leave the alt button and then enter. So this is very easy way to make a folder without name. For more important videos, please subscribe my channel.